Okay, so now let's go to the setup page. You can go from here, but it's the same of this. So let's go here. Okay, so you'll find some instruction like the thing that I'm telling you, but the thing is that you have some kind of section to help you in this page to set up all the main things in the template, right? So the first thing that I want to show you is that if you prefer to take the template as the full, let's say, the full things in it, so you see sometimes you see some goal, and this help you to set up your own system because you see how the things are interconnected, but then you want to remove the things, you can use this section. So basically what you do, you have all your database, you click here and you just delete everything, and you can do for each one, and this is a very easy way to do that. Okay, so I already explained how you can add to the favorite. Just click this, and then you can set up your para and your goal. So para will be project area. You also have a collection that is something about the resource, right? The way that you are going to cluster your resource by collection. You can think of collection as notebook, right? And you can see that it's like things like salary proven, designing, spell, productivity tips, tools, types, things like that. And then you can set your goal, right? So you can do that. Perfect. Next thing, this is you have a get things done based kind of system, so a very solid task management system. You can also choose the priority system. So it doesn't make ton of difference, but if you are familiar with Eisenhower matrix, you can use that, and uh, and then you see you have like the Eisenhower matrix, you have urgent and important, and the Eisenhower matrix. Or you can have like this level priority like normal, low, high. So you can just choose the one that you want to use and just select the column of the priority that you don't want to use, and you delete the property, and this is going to uh, uh, remove all from all the templates. So if you don't want to do that and you want to decide later, don't do this. I just remove this, don't need it. Okay, in the template, we have two recurring items. So recurring items are like recurring database or recurring template, I think it's called in Notion. And you have one for the review system. So basically the review system, I'm going to show you a bit what is this, is a getting done style review that allow you to really see your progress by week, by month, by year. It takes a bit, but because it's a lot of things, okay, perfect. This will be the weekly review, and there is one for month and one for year. And you can decide to have that to auto-populate by Notion by activating the review recurring items. So the way you're going to do that is you click here, you see that, for example, right now these already repeat, but you're not going to find this in your template because in the template it's going to be turned off. And you have weekly review, monthly review, yearly review. And so what you need to do is like click here and you set how frequently you want to repeat. So for example, this will be weekly. You can decide the day, the day that you want to repeat, and then you can decide how should start this auto-population of pages in Notion. And you can save, and you can say that right now there is this icon that say repeat weekly. You can do the same for the monthly and yearly review. Okay. Then we have our habit tracker. So we have a daily habit tracker, and if you want, you can set that to auto-populate, right? This is very handy, I think. And you do the same. You click here, you have your default template for the habit tracking system, okay? That will be this. And you edit your template, set the repeat, and you will set the repeat daily, and you decide the starting date and when to create. Like you have the date, the time, and you also can decide the time zone. Okay, this is relevant, and you can see that this is okay. I didn't activate actually. Let's click save. What is happening right now? It's turning off for some reason. Okay, I'm going to figure it out. This seems to be a bug. I'm going to but basically this should work as we do for the activator review. This is probably a bug. You see that works perfectly. Okay. Okay, I already told you how to kind of use the mobile quick capture page to use to mobile. Then we have the web clipper. Okay, so the web clipper system. So the best way to capture information from web is by using a web clipper, and there is Notion web clipper. This is the native, or Save to Notion. This is an extension. And I'm going to show you later how to do that. Then we have the Notion calendar sync. I'm going to show you how to sync the calendar in another view, but you're going to find the video, specific video, and the how to do that. Then we have a way to quickly set up our daily habit tracking. Okay, so the way that you're going to do, you have just let me add a default, and you can see you have your habits. Okay, and you can just click and change. Okay, so I'm going to explain a bit later how that works. Okay, but just to clarify how this work, because I want you to be able to track habits like progressively. So you want to track 3 habits now, and 1 month from now you want to track 4 habits. This will be a lot of managing actually with normal kind of setting of an habit tracker. You can just say how many habits you want to track, like, and then it's going to automatically calculate the progress correctly. So let me show you how that works. Okay, so this is the full template. So you see, I'm going to edit the template. So you see that right now there is like total habits. This is basically how many habits we want to track right now. So let's say that we want to track 3 habits. So what happens is that if I click, if I complete 3 habits, it's going to tell me 100%. And then it's going to set as default, but then I can change that, right? Let's say 1 month from now, I want to track 5 habits. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get there and I'm going to change the total habits for 5, right? And so because there are 5, right now it's telling me that is like just 60% because I need to just complete 5, right? Habits. So this just to show you, but I'm going to explain better how this system of the habit tracking works. Okay. And then you're going to remind yourself to activate the chart. I'm going to show you in another video how to activate the chart. And then you are done and you can start building your second brain. We will see for the next tutorial.